Oh, I know a wish sounds awesome, doesn't it? But a wish is different than a manifestation, and I personally would prefer a manifestation. When you think about wishes, wishes are things that, I think of like Disney and the Magic Kingdom and fantasy land and things that, just aren't going to come true. But you hope and you wish and you think, oh, that would be really cool if. But when you use sound healing, especially things like the singing pyramids and the Merkaba pyramids, you actually get into a space where you manifest, which is way better than a wish. When you manifest, you get into your highest level of energy. You focus on that thing that you desire, and then you do what you need to do to get there, right? The law of attraction says, whatever you think, you attract. And so if you believe that you can have something, you desire to have something, and side note, you are not given desires that you are not allowed to have. So long as they're good ones, you know what I mean? So that means that when you put it out into the universe that you desire something, the universe already conspires to bring it to you, and the power of singing pyramids, tuning forks, Merkabas, things like that will help you to manifest it even faster. So it's way better than a wish, because a wish by definition is something that people really don't believe are going to come true. And manifestations are things that you pull towards you and make come true.